Starting your fantasy world from scratch is daunting, but this free environment pack makes it a weekend project. I'm genuinely excited about this one. You get a full low-poly ecosystem with trees, flowers, rocks, and terrain, all with LODs built in. The shader supports wind animation on vegetation, so your forest feels alive right out of the box. Setup is straightforward. Drag prefabs into your scene. It works with URP and built-in, and there's even a demo scene to hack apart. Perfect for prototyping a medieval town or forest grove. Over 100 ratings, averaging nearly 5 stars. Users call it a hidden gem for quick stylized environments. The demo scene can be heavy on draw calls. For mobile, you'll want to combine meshes and lower the poly count, but that's a typical optimization step. Price, $0. That works out to 0 cents per prop. Seriously, download it now. Your next fantasy scene is waiting. Check the link below. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Character animation is a pain. Mixamo is okay, but these free human motions are on another level. They're clean, natural, and perfect for low-poly characters. Over 100 animations, including idle, walk, run, jump, and talk, all in masculine and feminine versions. Root motion and in-place options mean you can use them with any controller. Setup is plug and play. Just drop the animator controller onto your character and they move like a real person. Saves hours of tweaking keyframes. Nearly 150 reviews with 4.8 stars. Developers say this is a must-have prototyping staple. Root motion might need cleanup for some setups. Also, no crouching or climbing, so for a full game you'll need to supplement. Zero cost. For free, you skip 40 hours of manual animation. That's time you can spend on gameplay. Grab these motions today. Want to learn Unity through a real game? This classic tank battle project is free and teaches scene setup, physics, UI, the whole pipeline. It's a complete playable game with 13 tank variations, power-ups, music, and VFX. You can study every script and modify it to your heart's content. The project structure is clear, making it an excellent tutorial. You'll understand game states, input handling, and spawning just by reading the code. With 255 reviews and a 4.6 rating, it's a rite of passage for many developers. It hasn't been updated for modern Unity. You'll hit pink shaders and obsolete API calls. It's more of a learning artifact than a drop-in project. Cost, $0. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom tank rig. This is your free education. Download and learn. A boring sky can kill an otherwise beautiful scene. These free fantasy skyboxes instantly add mood and depth to any project. You get 18 cube maps and 32 panoramic skyboxes covering day, night, sunrise, sunset, rain, and snow. Just drag one onto your camera and your world transforms. Implementation takes seconds. No shader fiddling. Assign a material and go. Perfect for prototyping or as a placeholder until you invest in HDIs. 260 reviews with 4.75 stars. Users call it an essential toolkit for atmospheric lighting. Resolution is 2K, which may look soft on large scenes. For final production, you'll want the paid version with higher res. Price, $0. That's less than the late fee on your parking ticket. Treat your scene to a beautiful sky today. If you're making a 2D top-down game, you know how hard it is to find consistent pixel art for free. This pack is a treasure trove. It includes 48 props, multiple tile sets, trees, grass, and even a simple character controller. The art style is charming and cohesive. Everything fits together perfectly. The demo scene shows how to use tile maps effectively. you can build entire villages and forests just by painting tiles. 78 reviews and a 4.92 average. Developers praise the quality and say it's the best free 2D pack they've found. The import structure can overwrite your project settings. Best to import into an empty project first and then copy assets over. Zero cost. If one client project uses these assets, you've paid it off 100 times over. Grab the pack and start your pixel world. Populating your world with wildlife can be time-consuming. This free animal pack gives you animated creatures ready to roam. You get a variety of low-poly animals, each with basic animations like idle and walk. They integrate seamlessly with your environment. Models are optimized for real-time use, so you can scatter them in your scene without major performance hits. Perfect 5.0 rating from 30 users, a testament to its quality and usefulness. The pack is small, you'll only find a handful of species. For a zoo, you'll need to supplement with other packs. Price free, your wallet will thank you. Click the link to adopt them. First-person movement can be a hassle to set up. This tiny free controller gets you walking, running, and jumping in under a minute. It uses a rigid body for physics-based movement with separate components for each action, beginner-friendly and easy to customize. Includes audio for footsteps and jump sounds, plus crouch and zoom. Drop it onto a camera and you're ready to explore your level. 208 reviews with 4.55 stars. Users love how simple it is to get started. It uses the legacy input system and has some wall-sticking bugs. For a modern project, you'll want to update the input handling. $0. There's no risk. Download it now, and if it's not perfect, you lose nothing. Perfect for any prototype. Platformer levels take ages to build from scratch. This free asset pack gives you a solid foundation of sprites and tiles. It includes tiles for ground, walls, and background, plus a few character sprites and collectibles. You can assemble levels quickly with tile maps. The art is simple but clean, making it easy to add your own style or reskin later. Great for learning or jam projects. A perfect 5.0 rating from 40 users, clear evidence it delivers on its promises. It's a basic set, so you won't find advanced animations or complex enemies. You'll need to expand for a full game. It's completely free. For a beginner on a budget, this is the ideal starting point. Build your first level with no investment. Creating AI NPCs that talk and react normally requires a ton of code. Convai gives you a complete pipeline for natural conversations. It handles speech recognition, language understanding, text-to-speech, and lip sync out of the box. You just give your character a backstory and they respond dynamically. Setup is well documented with a dashboard to manage characters. The Discord support team is very responsive. 154 reviews and a 4.77 rating. Developers say it's the easiest way to add conversational AI to Unity. The plugin is quite heavy and tends to take over your project architecture. It's best for new projects rather than adding to existing code bases. Price, free to try with subscription options, but you get full functionality for $0 up front. That's a massive discount of 100% on the setup. Check the link. Unity's iconic mascot is available for free, and she comes with a ton of animations and poses, perfect for prototyping and learning. You get a fully rigged 3D character with 31 animations and 31 still poses. Blend shapes allow for 12 different facial expressions, great for cutscenes. The model is well known and loved, so there are countless tutorials and community projects to learn from. Over 400 reviews with 4.65 stars, a classic asset that has been used in many demos. The shaders are outdated and incompatible with URP or HDRP. You'll need to update materials or use the built-in pipeline. Zero cost. It's an infinite value, free forever to use in your projects. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.